$49. That's a Q-Bomb carpet box.
Yeah.
I paid $200 for those lethals with the box.
Really? Nice. You said?
Yeah, like I said, I mean, this kid had it sitting in the passenger seat of his Civic. Said that sounds like shit, I'm going to Sundown, fuck Incriminator.
Oh, okay.
I said, I kept my mouth shut.
Yeah.
I was just like,
They don't say nothing.
I ended up trading him because he wanted something for his girl. I had 2 Boston Acoustics 10s. You know, single voice coil 10s. I was still putting up 35s with that. I was running that Incriminator to him.
Really? Okay.
The
Yeah. Yep.
And they didn't die. Blew that box apart. Didn't die.
Okay.
But the kid was like, let me get something for my girl. I said, hey, let me give you $50 on top. He said, deal.
Okay.
I plugged it in, and he goes, let me hear it in yours. Fucking flexing and everything. He goes, I said, you gotta have an amp to push it. He was pushing it with he was trying to push 2 lethals with this little 300 watt SCAR amp. And I'm like,
yeah.
You're not gonna even move an Incriminator. They're so fucking stiff.
Yep.
You know, it's not a kicker.
No.
I mean, they're just stiff.
Yep. What is this wired to on your?
It's wired to 0.7.
Okay, so they're 0.3 or 0.7 coils. What's that?
Yeah, they're technically. What I'm trying to getting myself confused here.
You're good.
But they're technically 2 ohm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. I see what you're saying, but it's not
Incriminator, if you actually put an ohm meter on them,
mm-hmm.
a lot of times the Incriminator coils are 1.7.
Okay.
So it's anywhere between half and
I got it.
0.7.
Okay. Yes, sir. All right. What kind of electrical do you have? Is there anything all stock?
A lead acid stock size battery.
It's still jamming.
It's got the stock original alternator from 06 with almost 190,000 miles on it.
All right.
Alpine head unit. Always ran those for a good clean signal.
Yes, sir.
In the doors, I got 2 Kicker KS series 5 1/4s. So I left they were component set, left the tweets down there, and then I have 2 audio pipe tweets up in the dash that were given to me. So I mean,
why not?
Why not?
Okay.
And then they're on Crescendo Crossovers, but it's all my tweets and mids and highs are on head unit power.
Yeah, just head unit power. All right, sounds pretty good for what it is. I appreciate the demo, man.
No problem.
Nice to meet you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, what was your name?
Cody, Elliot.
Cody. All right, nice to meet you, Cody.
You as well. Thank you, guys.
Yes, sir.
Got something for you.
Oh yeah.
Big Sam, ho. Yeah, Lil Bo, ho. Check this out, right? Yeah, I think a lot of y'all motherfuckers forgot who he is. So right about now, we gonna let y'all know who the fuck we is. The crowd, motherfucker. That's just warm up.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Incriminators, you can't hardly kill them.
No?
I mean, you can.
You could, but yeah, I know what you mean. What frequency was that one?
That's 49.
49, okay.
The champagne of beer.
49. That's a Q-Bomb carpet box.
Yeah.
I paid $200 for those lethals with the box.
Really? Nice. Heck yeah. Can't beat that.
It was almost a steal.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Make sure they're all dead before you leave.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.